Good evening and welcome to the news. First, let us take a look at the headlines. "59 newly elected MLAs take oath in the special session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. UDP-PDF supports NPP to pave way for the formation of MDA 2.0 government in the state. First meeting of MDA 2.0 held in Shillong, 8 cabinet berths reserved for NPP, 2 for UDP and 1 each for HSPDP and BJP. And Prime Minister Modi to attend swearing ceremony of Conrad Sangma tomorrow in Shillong. The news in detail. The newly elected MLAs took oath during the special session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly here today. All the 59 MLAs comprising of senior politicians like Mukul Sangma, Preston Tinsong, A.L. Heck and others were administered oath by the pro tem Speaker Timothy D. Shira. Soyong seat is vacant due to the demise of UDP candidate and elections there will be held at a later date. In addition, the Commissioner and Secretary of the Legislative Assembly placed on the table of the House the Election Commission's notification constituting the 11th Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. The Assembly also observed silence for 2 minutes. In addition, Pro Tem Speaker Timothy D. Shira also announced the name of members nominated to the panel of chairmen of various Assembly committees. On Thursday, the House will sit again to elect the Speaker. The vote of confidence will also take place on the same day. After a bitter election campaign, different political parties like UDP and PDF have finally extended their support to the NPP to form the new government in Meghalaya. The dramatic vote faced by UDP, the second largest regional party in the new house, came on Sunday after party's top leadership took the option of joining the coalition led by Conrad Sangma. UDP, which has 11 members, was accompanied by PDF with this huge political development. The NPP-led alliance's strength has gone up to a formidable 45. The coalition now has NPP 26, UDP 11, PDF 2, BJP 2, HSPDP 2 and Independent 2 in the House of 59. The opposition will comprise Congress 5, TMC 5 and VPP 4. The first meeting of the Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2.0 was held in Shillong today. All the partners of the alliance attended the meeting. Chief Minister Designate Conrad Sangma informed that in the new government there will be 8 cabinet berths for NPP, 2 for UDP and 1 each for BJP and HSPDP. The new alliance will be called as MDA 2.0. Meanwhile, the Chief Minister will also reach out to coalition partners to decide on the consensus candidate for the post of Speaker.
We have also decided that in the cabinet, out of the 12 members that are there, 8 will go to the National People's Party, 2 will go to the UDP, 1 will go to the HSPDP, and 1 will go to the BJP. So that is the format of the sharing of the portfolio, the berths, cabinet berths.
Mandate given by the people is such that they wanted that UDP, especially for Fasi Jantia, is the only party which secures 11 seats. Okay, so we felt that people of this state, the people of this region, has given the mandate for us to lead the government, as we used to talk during election campaign.
Chief Minister Designate Conrad Sangma today stated that he wanted his all alliance partners to be in the MDA government 2.0 as well, even though he had managed majority without their support. Sangma said that in MDA-1, all the partners have been through thick and thin and they stood together in difficult times, and hence he approached the UDP and PDF to join hands with NPP to form the alliance once again. It may be mentioned that NPP had secured majority with the support of BJP-2, HSPDP-2 and independent candidates too. However, Conrad Sangma invited UDP and PDF to join the alliance, and now they have the support of 45 MLAs.
We fight, we sometimes give aggressive speeches and use different languages, which of course should have been controlled, but nonetheless, certain things were said. But at the end of the day, we are all here to serve the people of the state. And at the end of the day, we need to rise above all differences. We need to realize that people are looking at us and are expecting, have given a mandate. And hence, taking my team into confidence, I personally have then met the different leaders of PDF and the leaders of the UDP.
Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and a couple of union ministers would attend a swearing-in ceremony of the new Chief Minister and their Council of Ministers in Meghalaya on Tuesday. BJP National President JP Nadda and some prominent leaders are also likely to attend these events in the state capital. The swearing-in ceremony of the new Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and his Council of Ministers will be held in Shillong at 11 a.m. on Tuesday at Raj Bhavan. Ahead of the Prime Minister's visit, the police have drawn up a temporary traffic arrangement to ensure the smooth movement of the VVIPs. The police have requested the citizens to avoid journey in and around Shillong unless it is unavoidable or due to emergency reasons, or take an alternate route for their destination. The photo exhibition on Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav was held at NIT Shillong. The three-day event is open to all till March 9. NIT Director was the chief guest on the occasion. The objective of the program is to celebrate and commemorate the 75th year of independence of progressive India. The exhibition centers around the life and contributions of several freedom fighters who fought for the independence. The weather report. The maximum temperature was 21.8 degrees Celsius and the minimum temperature was 11 degrees Celsius. Relative humidity in the morning was 63%, while in the evening was 72%. Forecast: light rain is very likely to occur at isolated places. Our news bulletin is also available live on our YouTube channel, Facebook, Instagram and Twitter. In addition to watching on television, viewers may visit the DD News Shillong YouTube channel to tune in to our daily bulletin. And before we wind up, here are the headlines once again. 59 newly elected MLAs take oath in the special session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. UDP PDF supports NPP to pave way for the formation of MDA 2.0 government in the state. First meeting of MDA 2.0 held in Shillong, 8 cabinet berths reserved for NPP, 2 for UDP and 1 each for HSPDP and BJP. And Prime Minister Modi to attend a swearing ceremony of Conrad Sangma tomorrow in Shillong. And that's all we have in the news for today. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and good night.